Finally, some action, huh? Let me try the bottom here. Oh, little tautog. Finally, caught me a fish. Ooh, boy, I'm about to put that jig in my hand too. Tough lip tautog. Well, my boys are fishing the top, I'm fishing the bottom, everybody's catching. This is good stuff right here. Ryan, you still fighting that same fish?
No. These things aren't living.
All right, he's just stealing the crabs. There we go. I'm beginning to wonder if I was just cursed to not catch a blue or a mackerel. Like the boy hooking up every cast. I'm like, what the heck? Well, folks, this is one of those trips where we come out and we tried a little bit of everything. Wanted sheepshead, couldn't get them. Wanted flounder, didn't find them. So we're just going to pick on some bluefish for a while. And bluefish are coming up eating what he's spitting up. I just saw bluefish come up and eat. Yeah, I'm not even jigging it. I'm just cranking it in as fast as I can. Is that like, that's fish up there swirling. Look at that. That's a whole...
Yeah, it's a
Oh, this is a better one. Oh, this is about the same.
never know, maybe it's Spanish.
They're coming this way, whatever it is. Oh, thank you, dude. Little blues. They're supposed to get bigger, not smaller. That's a decent one there. Eatable. What you got, Ree?
Spanish.
Oh, go ahead. Need a net?
Yeah.
Terrible netting job.
Hooked way harder. You got hooked in the hand. All you could want to catch.
Good Lord. He had it dropping.
Nice.
Yeah, dude hit it when it was dropping.
That's what mine did.
I think they're sitting over there a little deeper, evidently. Finally, a decent fish. Oh, God, he just spewed all kinds of bait fish. I'm glad that didn't land on me. Nice one. Smack root with a pole.
Hey, man, it'd be payback for all the times that hook set on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I looked over and you like dodged and my hook set.
Yeah, Reed, he's got that side swing going on. Oh, my Triton. Oh, I hadn't even told y'all this. The first day I was there at the pier, the fiddler crabs that I got in the bucket draw more of an audience, I think, than anything. All the kids are just fascinated by them things. So I took one out and a whole group of people come up, tourists, showed it to them. And they, oh, that's so cool. And it was like, yeah. And I was like, look, the claw is so big that it don't have any strength. You know, I just stuck my finger in there and it just pinches, but it don't hurt. And they're like, oh, that's so crazy. Well, anyway, I put it back and they go back to fishing. And one of the guys that was with them, you can tell he never really fished much.
Yeah.
He was like right down from me fishing. and he pulls up a blue crab, and he goes and reaches to grab it, and I hear, ah! And I run down there. It's got his finger right dead across the fingernail, and I mean, there's like blood pouring out of it. It was a big blue crab. It got him good. I grabbed my pliers and popped its arm off and broke the claw off because it wouldn't let go.
Yeah, that's the best bet to do right there.
And he was, oh my God. He said, I said, yeah, that's a blue crab.
Yeah, that kind of
I said, they have some strength in their claws. And he's like, no, I thought it would be like your crab. I was like, nah.
I ain't getting bit by nothing now.
There's something popping out here in front of us. A little bigger. Ooh, he like that faster tree. Good land.
Wait, what is going on here?
I'm trying to get him up here.
I thought that was him getting one. I was all confused.
Super fast retrieving. This dude grabbed it. Reeling as fast as I could. Bro, this dude jumped out of the water and grabbed it.
You got one I can clean up with?
Yeah, grab that mop.
Oh, yeah.
The mop that's over there in that back fish holder. That's the best thing to use. Right here in front of the boat too. I was literally pulling it through it, hitting them. Hey, that works for me. I'm telling, hey dude, come cast up here, man. There are like a ton of them.
Drag right there. God.
What's that, out front?
Yeah, man, it was.
Drag just went crazy.
I was literally like feeling it hit stuff. I think they're just hanging out under these bunker, bombing them. Maybe we'll find some bigger ones. Oh, look, there's like 2 or 3 following them. So, what you got, man? That current definitely makes them feel bigger than they are. I need a quick release hook so I can just like hit a button and they fall off. That'd be awesome.
That would be amazing.
There you go, Reed. That's a $1 million idea.
What?
A quick release hook.
Oh, yeah.
It's a remote control. You just hit a button and it lets go.
Barbs itself right then and there.
It's like 360 fish. You cast any direction.
What do you got?
I'm not going to say it, but I'm hoping Spanish, the way it's zipping like that.
Nice.
You can always
Oh, get it in, get it in.
That is a hog. If they run either direction, like parallel to you, that makes some sense.
Nice one, man. Nice. What was that sound? Treble hook's getting mighty close.
All right, Jess.
Hmm?
Do me a favor.
What's up?
Try this. Give me your opinion.
As far as the build?
Yeah. As far as the action and all that stuff.
Oh, what'd that do?
This is like whole thing. This whole thing's like.
Yeah, it's Walmart special.
Is it?
Yeah, cheap rides on a expensive reel. Feels good, man. I like it. It's got a good feel to it.
The cast nice. Yeah, that has something to do with that.
What's the action on it?
That is a medium fast.
Yeah, I can tell it's like bending a little farther down.
Yeah.
I'm used to the fast ones, but it's nice. It works. Man, something just broke out there. Good God.
What the hell's that?
What is that?
It's big, whatever it is.
Thing a bull drum?
Maybe. Look at that. Look, right there. Something's swirling. What is that?
I don't know. Holy shit.
Oh, that is a bull drum.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was.